teachers. Welcome to our grade 3 student-led conference. I'm excited to share my progress with you today. Today, we're here to talk about how I've been doing in school and what I've learned so far this semester. This is a special chance for me to take the lead and show you what I've been working on. I am doing great. I can understand the lessons easily. I am proud of my work or enjoy doing this. Am I ready for grade 4? I'm ready for grade 4 because I want to be more mature.
I mean, she's part of the top 3 during the STEM quiz bee.
Okay.